Guys, welcome back after our short advert break. Let us wrap up today's lesson. So today we looked at personal income tax, where we did some explanation as well as some examples. Then we said that taxation consists of two types of tax, right? That's your value-added tax as well as your income tax. And this was our focus of today's lesson. We thereafter said that you take your gross income minus your non-taxable deductions to get your taxable income, right? We also indicated that your non-taxable deduction can be, for example, your pension fund contribution or a donation. Then, after finding or calculating our taxable income, we look at the tax threshold to determine whether a person must contribute towards tax or not. We also then decided that once we have our taxable income, we determine the tax bracket. Thereafter, we looked at rebates, and we also then subtracted the medical aid tax credits. Okay. Then what else was important in today's lesson? The concept of fringe benefits, right? We said that's an extra benefit that supplementing an employee's wage or salary, for example, a company car, private healthcare, or travel allowance, right? When an employee receives fringe benefits, the gross income includes your salary as well as your fringe benefit, okay? Then, very important, taken from today's lesson, travel allowance. If an employee uses his or her car for work purposes and more than 80% of the distance traveled per month, right, is work-related, for example, going to see clients, then 20% of the amount will be included in the gross income as a fringe benefit. Okay? So, guys, I hope that's all clear to you. That's our travel allowance. Just to focus your attention on other important things. I said here, remember, income tax is always calculated on your annual taxable income using the tax tables issued by SARS. Right? That's our South African Revenue Services. Also important, you are not expected to memorize these tax tables, right? It will be given to you, right? It will be provided. Also, in order to calculate your monthly tax, we divide our annual tax by 12. So moving from monthly to annually, we multiply by 12. Other way around is when we move from annual to monthly, we divide by 12. Then only work with the items that is presented to you, right? Whether it's age, the medical aid pension fund, and so on. So you work with what is given to you. Then, travel allowance, remember the principle of 80% versus 20%. Okay? And very important, always read with due diligence, right? You underline, you encircle, you highlight the important amounts, the important words that will guide you, that will tell you basically what to do. Okay, guys, before I say goodbye, let me just leave you with some homework for the upcoming week. Here I've indicated that Tanya, a 38-year-old woman, works as a manager at the Department of Communications and Digital Technologies. Her monthly basic salary is 34,950 Rand. She uses her car 90% of the time for work-related purposes and receives a travel allowance of 8,000 Rand per month. She furthermore receives other fringe benefits totaling 3,850 Rand per month. She contributes 7.5% to the government employees pension fund. So what is it that you need to do? She claims that the annual taxable income should be 453,345 Rand. Verify, showing all calculations, whether a claim is valid or not. Guys, best of luck with the challenge. Okay, thank you for joining us today. Hope to see you next time. Remember to work every day. Stay safe. Goodbye.